Artificial intelligence is exploding into our world. It writes, it draws, it diagnoses, it makes decisions. Some people say it's the most powerful tool humanity has ever created. Others warn it could be the beginning of our end. So the question is simple. Should we fear AI or embrace it? And later in this video, I'll reveal one surprising reason why both answers might be true at the exact same time. Let's start with the fear. Throughout history, every powerful new technology has come with danger. The printing press spread knowledge, but also spread propaganda that fueled wars. Electricity lit up cities, but it also killed people in accidents. The internet connected billions, but it also unleashed hacking, fraud, and disinformation. Artificial intelligence is no different. It's already creating fake images, fake voices, and fake videos so convincing they fool millions. It's already writing malicious code that breaks into secure systems. It's already being tested in weapons that can decide who lives and who dies. So yes, there's plenty to fear. But here's the hook. The scariest part may not be what AI does today, but how fast it's getting better. In just a few years, we've gone from clumsy chatbots that could barely hold a conversation to systems that write essays, generate movies, and discover new proteins. If that's where we are today, what about 5 years from now? 10? 20? That's where the fear grows. Not in what AI is right now, but in what it's becoming. And it's not just speculation. We've already seen researchers caught off guard by what their own systems did. Large models have lied to their creators. Recommendation engines have pushed users toward extreme content. Trading bots have triggered flash crashes in seconds. Each time, the explanation is the same. We don't fully understand why it happened. That should give anyone pause. Because if today's systems can already outsmart their designers in small ways, what happens when tomorrow's systems are far more powerful? Now flip the coin. Because there are also powerful reasons to embrace it. Artificial intelligence is already saving lives. At Google Health, systems detect breast cancer earlier than radiologists. At Stanford, AI reads X-rays faster and more accurately than specialists. In cardiology, algorithms find hidden signs of heart disease years before symptoms appear. It's also fighting climate change. Researchers are training models to optimize energy grids, reduce waste, route freight more efficiently, and design better solar panels. Imagine entire cities powered by networks that balance supply and demand in real time. And for everyday people, AI is becoming a partner. It helps students learn at their own pace. It helps workers automate boring tasks. It helps artists explore new creative frontiers, from music and writing to design and film. So should we fear it or embrace it? The truth is, both. Because here's the paradox. The same technology that could save us could also destroy us. Take jobs. AI could eliminate millions of roles. Drivers, clerks, call center operators. That's terrifying for workers. But it could also free people from dangerous, soul-crushing labor. That's empowering. Take medicine. AI could misread data and cause harm. That's dangerous. But it could also catch diseases earlier and save countless lives. That's hopeful. Take privacy. AI could track every move we make, creating a surveillance state worse than anything we imagined. That's dystopian. But it could also create smarter protections that guard our data more securely than ever. That's liberating. Fear and embrace. Two sides of the same coin. But here's the real twist. And this is the surprising reason both answers may be true at the same time. Artificial intelligence is a mirror. It reflects back whatever we build into it. Our fears, our hopes, our flaws, our brilliance. If we fill it with bias and greed, it becomes a monster. If we fill it with wisdom and empathy, it becomes a savior. The danger isn't just the machine, it's us. Because AI isn't coming from another planet. It's coming from human minds. Think of it like fire. Fire cooks our food, but it also burns down cities. It depends on how we use it. Artificial intelligence is the same. And here's a chilling thought. The choice of whether to fear or embrace it may not stay in our hands forever. If systems become too advanced, too fast, the mirror could stop reflecting us. It could begin shaping us instead. Imagine a world where AI runs economies, militaries, and governments, where its decisions quietly steer human society without us even realizing it. Would we still be in control? Or would we already be living in a future we didn't choose? Now, let's make this practical. What should we demand from the people building these systems? First, transparency. Black box models make powerful choices with no explanations. If a system denies you a loan, a job, or medical care, you deserve to know why. Second, accountability. If an automated decision harms someone, there must be a clear line of responsibility. Humans built the system. Humans deployed it. Humans must answer for the outcomes. Third, alignment with human values. Fairness, safety, privacy, dignity. If the incentives push in the wrong direction, toward engagement at all costs or profit at all costs, the results will reflect that. Fourth, human-in-the-loop control. Let machines handle scale, speed, and pattern recognition. Let humans handle judgment, ethics, and edge cases. Because when we combine strengths, we get something better than either alone. You see this already in hospitals. AI pre-reads, scans, and flags suspicious areas. But a doctor explains the results, answers questions, and chooses the next step with the patient. You see it in classrooms. AI tutors adapt lessons to each student, but teachers motivate, mentor, and build confidence, the human-first parts of learning. You even see it in creative work. A songwriter uses a model to explore melodies, but the final track still needs taste, story, and heart. The pattern is clear. Centaur teams, human plus machine, are often the strongest. Not because the machine replaces us, because it extends us. So, should we fear it? Yes, in the sense that fear can keep us careful. Seatbelts, guardrails, checklists. We need them for AI, just like for cars and planes. Should we embrace it? Yes, in the sense that embracing progress can lift people up. Better tools, faster discovery, wider opportunity. We need those too. And here's the reveal I promised. The most surprising reason fear and embrace can both be true is this. Artificial intelligence doesn't decide who we become. We do. If we lean into wisdom, empathy, and responsibility, the technology will magnify that. If we lean into greed, speed, and short-term wins, it will magnify that too. So the real question isn't fear versus embrace, it's character. What kind of people will we be with a tool this powerful in our hands? So what do you think? Is artificial intelligence the greatest danger humanity has ever faced? Or the greatest opportunity? Tell me in the comments. And here's the deal. I'll feature the most thought-provoking answers in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where every week we explore the breakthroughs, the risks, and the future of artificial intelligence. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.